Hey guys, it's Lorth here. Jumping right in, the primary thing I've done this week is fill the level with some static goddamn zombies. These zombies are randomly spawned at level load. They really fill in the gaps between the waves as you wander around, but they do allow you to get a breather in places you've already cleared to just walk around with relative impunity. I'm not sure I've struck the right balance here, but we can't know until I add the exploration stuff. The other thing I've done is add a basic ammo and reloading system. Right now the player carries infinite ammo, but that'll probably change in the next build. This also acts as a poor man's way to see what weapons I have equipped, since every weapon has a distinct amount of ammo available to them. Reloading is done with the R key, or the left face button on a controller. That'd be X on Xbox or square on the PlayStation. Not 100% sure on the controller binding there, but we'll see how it feels when I get around to playtesting. On the technical side, the static level zombies are placed with these static spawn zones I've made. Each spawn zone has an area represented by a rectangle, and then a range of zombie density measured in zombies per 100,000 square pixels. Yeah, that's the best measurement I found for density. I was originally doing per 100 square pixels, but the game literally imploded if you tried to use whole numbers of zombies per 100 square pixels. Given that a single zombie is a circle with a radius of about 8 pixels, that makes sense. A zombie would then have an area of 201 square pixels roughly. So one zombie per 100 square pixels would mean that you would need 2 zombies to occupy the space of one single zombie, and then the entire space would need to be saturated with these 2 zombie pairs. It didn't stop me from trying it before making any real attempt to do the math. Silly me. Also, I was trying to place 2 to 7 zombies per 100 square pixels. Needless to say, this made the game just freeze on startup. As for reloading, every weapon has a magazine size and a magazine remaining. Whenever we fire or reload, we update the magazine remaining. The UI is listening for one of 2 events, which fire when we update the magazine remaining or change the active weapon. The weapon also remembers how much ammo it has in the magazine, so if you switch out and back, you still need to reload. That's all I really have to show this week. I was pretty busy with some other things. Next week, I might work on those upgrades I was talking about, or get back to putting pickups in the level. Probably the pickups, because I think exploration is the next important step towards a prototype. Catch you guys next week, hopefully. As always, be inspired.